is mass of the nucleus equal to or greater than or less than the mass of the sum of the mass of the constituent nucleons, then it becomes tougher. Then logic says that the mass has to be equal, but that is not actually happening because of binding energy. Okay, now we said that the atom contains a positive concentric a concentrated positive charge at the center, but how is this concentrated positive charge along with neutrons produced? How is the nucleus produced? Now nucleus is produced using a force known as the nuclear force. So nuclear force is responsible for the formation of the nucleus. Now we have already said that a nucleus contains, nucleus is nothing but protons and neutrons, where P is a proton and N is a neutron. Now proton is a charged particle. It has a positive charge plus, whereas neutron has no charge. Now how can a proton and a neutron combine to form a nucleus? Now proton and neutron, how do they interact? Now electromagnetic forces are out of question, weak forces are out of question, and gravitational force is also out of question. So there must be another force that is responsible for binding the proton and the neutron. That force is known as the nuclear force. So it is the nuclear force that binds the protons and